I'm Sachin from Kerala, Ahmedabad, and today we're going to talk about three simple things that you can do to be better at the verbal ability section of the XAT exam. When it comes to reading comprehension, we need to ensure that we are able to break down the passages into key main ideas, looking into the author's perspective and the main arguments. You may simply ask yourself what and why the author is given to us. When it comes to vocabulary based questions, use the contextual clues that are given to decipher the meaning of the unfamiliar words. Looking into the grammar aspects, you have to brush on your grammar rules, but you can pay attention to things like sentence structure, subject verb agreement, usage of prepositions, punctuations. That will help you to decipher the error in the sentence correction questions that are being given. So, using this strategy will actually help you to quickly and timely manage your paper. Subscribe for more videos of such kind. Thank you.